Today's episode is packed with breakthroughs in AI. We're exploring NVIDIA's Dynamo v.90, Google's Gemini 3.1 Pro, and the role of AI in transparent decision-making. Plus, we'll dive into how AI can revolutionize wildfire management, the critical importance of trustworthy AI in telecom, and advanced automation in apparel manufacturing. Stay tuned for the latest insights. NVIDIA's latest release, Dynamo v.9.0, signifies a pivotal transformation in distributed inference frameworks, pushing the boundaries of AI model deployment and performance. This update is particularly noteworthy for its incorporation of enhanced multimodal support and a meticulously engineered architecture that harnesses the full potential of NVIDIA's newest GPU architectures, such as Blackwell, Hopper, Ada Lovelace, and Ampere. One of the key innovations in Dynamo v.90 is the introduction of the Dynamo Tokens Rust Crate, which adds a new dimension to token management. This module plays an essential role in managing the tokens required for smooth operation across various cloud and on-premise environments, ensuring secure and efficient handling of data streams. In addition to this, the architecture includes new components like the GPU Resource Planner and KV Cache Manager, which dynamically adapt GPU scheduling and resource utilization. These enhancements allow for more precise allocation of computational resources, which is critical in high-demand AI tasks. Performance metrics from this release are remarkable. The throughput has increased up to 30 times on NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs when using models like DeepSeek R1 under optimal conditions. This is a significant leap from the previous version, v.4, which had already demonstrated a four-fold improvement. It indicates a quantum leap in computational efficiency and sets new benchmarks for real-time AI responsiveness. While Dynamo v.0.90 offers substantial improvements, there are some trade-offs and limitations. Current multimodal functionality shows bugs on ARM64 platforms, affecting users who rely on these builds. Additionally, container launch failures have been reported with specific image versions, such as VLM Runtime 0.8.1-CUDA13, highlighting compatibility challenges that users must navigate. These issues emphasize the ongoing necessity for rigorous environment compatibility checks, especially regarding specific GPU driver requirements. Developers and enterprises interested in exploring Dynamo v.9.0 should refer to NVIDIA's comprehensive documentation and resources available on their official GitHub repository. These resources provide a plethora of guides, component explanations, and sample benchmarks, including instructions to run performance tests with the DeepSeek R1 model on preferred NVIDIA hardware. This practical insight into the framework's capabilities can aid users in tailoring their AI model deployments optimally. In conclusion, NVIDIA Dynamo v.9.0 is an impressive advancement, redefining AI deployment and scalability with its cutting-edge architecture and robust performance enhancements. Developers looking to optimize their inference workloads will find this update particularly beneficial in unlocking unprecedented efficiency and responsiveness, reinforcing NVIDIA's position at the forefront of AI infrastructure innovation. Google has unveiled Gemini 3.1 Pro, dramatically boosting the reasoning capabilities compared to its predecessors. This AI model handles a context length of 1 million tokens, boasting a 77.1% ARC AGI-2 reasoning benchmark, more than doubling its predecessor's performance. At the core of Gemini 3.1 Pro is its dynamic thinking architecture, allowing adjustment of reasoning depth across 3 levels: low, medium, and high. This modular approach optimizes the balance between speed and resource cost, making it versatile across applications, from coding and data analysis to scientific research. By offering this flexibility, users can fine-tune the AI's reasoning processes to better suit specific tasks, optimizing efficiency and aligning with budget constraints. The impressive numbers speak for themselves. By outperforming competitors like Claude Opus 4.6 and GPT 5.2 on ARC AI-2 benchmarks, Gemini 3.1 Pro provides a performance edge that solidifies its position in the AI landscape. Specifically, it surpasses Claude Opus 4.6 by 8.3% and GPT 5.2 by an impressive 24.2% on the ARC AGI-2 scale. Such advancements not only demonstrate technical superiority, but also suggest significant impacts on practical applications like scientific computations and large-scale data integration. Yet there are trade-offs. The specifics behind the dynamic thinking architecture remain opaque, raising questions about the technology's defensibility and proprietary models. Furthermore, real world reliability over long term scenarios is largely unexplored. For those considering adoption, a comprehensive understanding of how the configurable thinking levels interact with diverse tasks is crucial. Missteps in configuration can lead to suboptimal performance, costing time and resources. For experimentation, the Gemini app or Google AI Studio provides hands on opportunities. Adjusting thinking levels during coding exercises can uncover insights into performance variations relative to complexity and cost constraints. These platforms facilitate an environment where advanced features such as the extended context capability can be explored interactively, allowing developers and researchers to harness full potential in their specific fields. In conclusion, Gemini 3.1 Pro sets new standards in AI reasoning with its groundbreaking performance and flexibility features. While its full impact and reliability in varied real-world applications remain under scrutiny, its current offerings already hint at substantial contributions to AI innovation and deployment across multiple sectors. In the quest for greater transparency in AI systems, a novel framework emerges, designed to infuse traceable decision-making processes with detailed audit trails. This development is not merely a technical enhancement. It represents a significant stride towards accountability and reliability, especially critical in sectors where ethical compliance is non-negotiable. The technical backbone central to this framework is LangGraph, a sophisticated graph-based system that coordinates the operations of specialized agents. By leveraging a directed acyclic graph structure, LangGraph ensures efficiency in managing complex tasks of AI agents while facilitating a high level of transparency. This structure is crucial for monitoring the interactions and decision paths of AI agents, laying the groundwork for thorough audits. Human-in-the-loop processes. An essential feature of this framework is its integration with human-in-the-loop processes. By incorporating human approval mechanisms, it enhances decision-making reliability. This approach not only builds trust, but also mitigates the historical criticisms labeled against so-called black box AI systems, which often obscure decision rationales. Comprehensive audit trails. The framework covers an impressive 88% of OpenSSF scorecard checks, systematically uncovering potential risks. Audit trails ensure that every decision path is documented and extractable, providing reproducible governance-aligned scores that are essential for regulatory compliance. In testing phases, up to 19 additional risks per system are identified, emphasizing the framework's robustness in enhancing AI safety. ## Real-time monitoring and limitations. Through real-time monitoring, the framework offers a window into AI operations, making decision processes transparent and accountable. However, these capabilities come with trade-offs. Introducing comprehensive audit trails can lead to increased latency in decision-making, potentially complicating scenarios requiring rapid responses. Moreover, the need for validation in large-scale deployments highlights the framework's nascent stage in terms of real-world application. Practical implementation. For those looking to apply this technology, examining LangGraph's official documentation is a valuable first step. Additionally, experimenting with the integration of human approval mechanisms into existing AI systems can offer practical insights. Deploying auditing features, akin to those demonstrated by tools like libvulnwatch, can help establish robust governance checks. Implications and future directions. This advancement potentially sets new benchmarks in AI transparency and governance, shaping regulatory expectations and enhancing public trust. As the framework paves the way for compliance-focused AI services, it might also influence investment decisions by emphasizing increased accountability. However, striking a balance between transparency and the protection of proprietary information remains a critical challenge for developers. Ultimately, as AI systems continue to permeate various industries, frameworks like this not only redefine best practices, but also have the potential to transform public perception of AI, transitioning from mysterious entities to trustworthy partners in technological advancement. AI and predictive analytics stand poised to revolutionize wildfire management, shifting from traditional reactive approaches to highly effective, proactive strategies. As climate change heightens the prevalence and intensity of wildfires, these technologies offer the potential to dramatically enhance operational efficiencies and response times, potentially saving lives and minimizing property losses. At the core of this technological shift is the California Wildfire Inventory, CAWFI dataset, encompassing over 37 million data points collected between 2012 and 2018. This robust dataset combines wildfire, meteorological, environmental, and geological information, making it instrumental for AI-based predictive models. These models achieve a remarkable 85.7% accuracy in predicting wildfires larger than 300,000 acres by leveraging spatiotemporal analyses. Such precision represents a substantial improvement over traditional methods, showing a 47% increase in accurately forecasting critical pre-fire conditions. A groundbreaking tool in this domain is FireCast-RL, introduced in January 2026. This system employs deep spatiotemporal models and reinforcement learning to dynamically adapt and optimize fire suppression strategies in real time during wildfire events. By incorporating continuous feedback, FireCast-RL ensures that strategies are responsive to the ever-changing dynamics of fire situations. Similarly, the Intelligent Virtual Situation Room, IVSR, launched in February 2026, serves as a digital twin for emergency management, offering on-the-ground teams real-time insights and strategic recommendations. Despite its promise, the deployment of AI models across diverse geographic and environmental conditions presents certain challenges. The variance in vegetation types, terrain, and climate can affect AI predictions, demanding localized adjustments and validations. Furthermore, ethical questions regarding the handling and privacy of sensitive data must be closely examined to prevent potential misuse. On a practical level, entities involved in wildfire management can explore the CAWFI dataset to glean insights into historical fire patterns. Implementing the FireCast-RL framework can further real-time analysis and corrections in wildfire response tactics. The integration of drone technology also plays a crucial role, not only in enhancing data collection, but in executing rapid-fire suppression efforts where needed. As AI technologies continue to evolve, they promise to transform the landscape of wildfire defense. By enabling both anticipatory measures and enhanced reactionary tactics, AI stands to bolster the effectiveness and efficiency of firefighting operations, potentially reducing the devastating impacts of increasingly common and severe wildfires. In the evolving landscape of telecommunications, trustworthy AI is becoming non-negotiable. With a remarkable 62% year-over-year increase in AI-related fraud, the sector faces unprecedented challenges and must urgently prioritize privacy, security, and trust to protect customer data and ensure regulatory compliance. Telecom companies are increasingly integrating AI for purposes such as network optimization and enhancing customer interactions. While these technologies provide significant advantages, only 59% of telecom firms report having robust methodologies to manage the accompanying AI-related risks. This gap poses a significant threat to customer trust and regulatory adherence. The pressure to balance rapid innovation with stringent risk management is intense, and failure to harmonize these elements could severely undermine consumer confidence. The deployment of machine learning has become widespread, with 75% of telecom decision makers actively using it for fraud detection. However, financial constraints hinder progress, as 55% of companies admit to inadequate budget allocations for cybersecurity. This monetary shortfall complicates efforts to maintain security standards amidst escalating regulatory risks. Given the pressing nature of these issues, it is imperative for telecom providers to conduct comprehensive internal audits focused on AI risk management. Such assessments are crucial to uncover potential vulnerabilities and establish stronger risk mitigation strategies. Additionally, the development of a transparent AI framework detailing data usage policies can play a pivotal role in enhancing accountability. Maintaining an active dialogue with regulatory bodies will help companies anticipate compliance changes and adapt accordingly, ensuring they remain ahead of evolving regulations. Investment in trustworthy AI frameworks offers multiple benefits for the telecom industry. By fortifying risk management processes and adhering to ethical practices, companies can significantly bolster customer trust. This trust is not only foundational for consumer retention, but also acts as a differentiator that can set new industry standards. Furthermore, these initiatives can align businesses with the broader industry shift toward responsible AI deployment, potentially unlocking new avenues for growth and innovation. The path toward trustworthy AI and secure telecommunications is complex, necessitating keen focus on governance frameworks for AI deployment. Effective management of AI applications, coupled with compliance assurance, provides a structured route to sustainable technological advancement. Ultimately, instituting such robust practices could position telecom companies as leaders in ethical AI, fostering a competitive edge and catalyzing broader sector transformation, setting an industry benchmark for the responsible use of AI technologies. Cam Myers, the CEO of CreateMe, is at the forefront of a significant transformation in the apparel industry, leveraging advanced automation technologies to enhance manufacturing processes. The centerpiece of this effort is the MIRA, Modular Engineering Robotic Assembly System, which is redefining the speed and precision of garment production. With an impressive production capability of 250 garments per hour, MIRA operates 20 times faster than traditional manual sewing methods, marking a considerable advancement in production efficiency. At the core of MIRA is the integration of robotic assembly with pixel microadhesive technology. This breakthrough enhances garment production by providing twice the precision of conventional manufacturing techniques, a crucial improvement that impacts both the quality and the sustainability of apparel production. The focus on precision not only ensures high-quality outcomes, but also significantly reduces the need for rework and waste, aligning with CreateMe's commitment to environmentally friendly manufacturing practices. CreateMe's technological advancements are particularly compelling in the context of on-demand and sustainable manufacturing. By minimizing excess inventory and promoting localized production, their approach addresses some of the most pressing supply chain challenges currently facing the fashion industry. This transformation is seen as an answer to reducing the environmental footprint of garment production, a critical concern in today's market focused on sustainability. However, there are still questions about how effectively this technology can be scaled beyond its current application in women's intimates and t-shirts. Although CreateMe's initial product launches have been well received, the company's ability to maintain product quality and production speed at higher scales remains to be seen. Moreover, the broader market adoption of such advanced automation remains uncertain, especially among traditional manufacturers who may face significant cultural and operational shifts. Additionally, there are practical concerns about the labor implications of this shift. The integration of automated systems could potentially displace workers in traditional manufacturing settings, raising questions about workforce transitions and training. Ensuring smooth integration without substantial job losses will be critical as the industry moves forward. For those interested in exploring CreateMe's advancements, visiting their website provides detailed insights into their products and innovations. The strategic partnership with popular brand Tuckit marks another significant milestone, set to launch the first digitally bonded men's t-shirt in February 2026. Such collaborations indicate growing interest within the industry and a potential shift toward embracing automated and digitally bonded apparel solutions. In essence, through its pioneering use of automation and adhesive technology, CreateMe is setting a new benchmark for innovation in apparel production. This initiative promises to reshape industry standards, promoting a future where efficiency is matched by sustainability, ultimately offering manufacturers substantial cost savings and reducing inventory waste while maintaining high-quality garment production. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Daily AI Brief. From NVIDIA's latest Dynamo release to groundbreaking advancements in fire defense and apparel automation, AI continues to push boundaries across industries. Stay informed and look forward to more updates in future episodes. Don't forget to subscribe.